Before starting the installation, make sure you have all the required components. Inside the box, you should have 2 aluminum bars. Please note that one bar may be longer than the other. This is completely normal, as many vehicles are wider at the front. You should also have 4 mounting feet, 2 for the left side and 2 for the right side, along with the key and Allen wrench included in the box. First, remove the protective stickers from the aluminum bars. Next, use the key provided in the box to unlock and remove the covers from all 4 mounting feet. Under each cover and on the mounting feet themselves, you will see letters indicating which side they belong to. L stands for left, which is the driver's side. R stands for right, which is the passenger's side. Now, slide the mounting feet into the aluminum bars. Once all 4 mounting feet are inserted, your crossbars are ready to be mounted onto your vehicle. Place the assembled crossbar onto the vehicle's roof rails. Before tightening anything, make sure the crossbar is centered properly with an even amount of bar extending on both sides. First, tighten the small horizontal screw located on the upper side of one mounting foot. This screw secures the aluminum bar in place. Next, move to the opposite side and tighten the same screw there to fully secure the aluminum bar. Once the aluminum bar is locked in place, tighten the lower screw on both mounting feet to secure the crossbar to the roof rails. Next, place the second crossbar onto the roof rails. Repeat the same tightening sequence for this bar as well. First, tighten the upper horizontal screws to secure the aluminum bar in place. Then, tighten the lower screws on both mounting feet to secure the crossbar to the roof rails. Before installing the covers, check the L and R markings underneath each cover to make sure they are placed on the correct side. Also, make sure the lock is in the vertical position, which means it is unlocked. Once everything is aligned correctly, attach the covers onto the mounting feet. After the covers are in place, lock them using the key provided. Before driving, gently shake the crossbars to make sure they are securely attached and properly installed. If there is any movement, recheck and tighten all screws.